What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. So today is going to be kind of a vlog style video, not a tutorial, because I have no idea what I'm doing. So we are going to kind of do our version of Nailed It. Me and the kids decided to make Christmas cookies, and I'm not the best baker. You know, I can make box cakes and cookies, but we're gonna try to make cookies today, so want to bring you guys along, and then let me show y'all.
Oh my goodness, it's nippy, girl. What it is?
So we what? That's you.
Okay, girl, but girl, don't be filming me, girl. I don't have myself together.
So we had to come get some help from my mom.
Hi.
Because she's the baker of the family. We don't really know what we're doing, but we're gonna try to work it out. So anyway, we're gonna go to the store and get everything we need, and then we're gonna come back and we're gonna try to nail it. No, we haven't been to the store yet. All right, y'all, so we are back from the store and we got everything that we need. A lot of supplies here, but we are making 3 different types of cookies. We're going to make a Grinch cookie, a snowman cookie, and then we're gonna do just some sugar cookies, and we're gonna decorate those. All right, so first we're gonna make the Grinch cookies. Recipe, I kicked the kids out because it was just too much going on. So we're gonna mama just did. Oh yeah, my mama, she trying to give up on me, but it's all good. Okay, so we're gonna do some Oreo snowman. have been baking cookies pretty much all day. So before we get into nailed it or failed it, we had a little freestyle section with our sugar cookies. So everybody's gonna show you their sugar cookies, and then we'll let you guys decide who won. Who wants to go first?
Me! Everybody!
Okay, Christian wants to go first. Let's see your cookies. Pull your cookies to the front. Come on. All right, Christian, so what did you make here?
A star and a candy cane.
All right, you did so good. Very good. Okay, who's next? I'll go next. I have a stocking and a gingerbread man. I like my stocking the best. I think it's cute. All right. What's so funny? Mama, what's so funny?
Me and my grandson Jabbar, we in cahoots. We can't share.
Why? Y'all trying to hide y'all cookies? Okay, whose cookies are next?
For mine.
Amari. Okay, pull it forward, Amari. Let's see.
I'm Emma. I got a star,
Okay.
a bell, and
Okay.
a stocking.
All right. Want some cookies with those sprinkles? Huh? Okay. Who's next?
Okay.
Okay, Mother.
I have a star
She got one back there.
and a sugar cookie.
Oh, she hiding one? Oh, Mama, what's wrong with it? Let me see it. Let me see it. Move those nuts.
Supposed to be a candy cane. Epic fail.
Oh, you put too much stuff on it. I told you stop with those sprinkles.
I know, right?
Okay, Jabari, come on, you last. Let's see what you got.
He got one back there too.
Jabari, you hit one too. Let's see what you got. Let's see what you got. Okay, let's. Okay, Santa Claus. Yes. And what? Oh, Jabari, what happened to him?
I was just throwing stuff on, bro.
Okay.
You're not in a competition.
Okay. All right, y'all. So now it's time for nailed it or failed it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put a picture on the screen of what we were trying to accomplish, and then you guys let us know if you think we nailed it or failed it. Okay, y'all, so I'm gonna put up a picture of the first cookies that we did, which were the Grinch cookies. So how the Grinch stole Christmas. So this is what we were going for. All right, so wait a minute, who's gonna reveal? Who's gonna take it off?
Me!
Let's reveal what we made. 1, 2, 3. Yay! Everybody gets to do a taste test. Come on, let's taste it.
Yes! I'm gonna taste the heart.
Let's taste it.
No, you can't get the big.
Grab one.
Let me see.
Mm-hmm.
We eat sugar off of it. That's so nasty.
They're moist.
Why are they so soft?
Yeah.
They're just soft, moist.
Listen,
They're too soft.
y'all, these cookies, they're real good.
They're nasty.
These cookies are not nasty.
Okay.
All right, so y'all tell us if we nailed it or failed it. All right, so on to the next one. All right, y'all, so the next cookies that we tried to make are Oreo snowman cookies. So I'm gonna put on the screen real quick what we were going for. All right, and Mama is gonna reveal.
I'm gonna do it.
Hold on.
You gotta close your eyes. So you can
Close your eyes. Christian hasn't seen these.
Ready?
1,
No.
2,
Yes, yes.
3.
Oh, baby.
You like our snowman? Do you like our snowman? All right, so everybody, we got to do a taste test. They are Oreo on the inside, so everybody grab a snowman.
Oh, look at him. He's cute.
I know.
Look how mine's grabbing.
All right, taste.
I can't bite it.
You see inside?
There's a lot going on. It's sweet.
I don't like it.
Mm.
I like them.
Woo.
It's good, but it's too sweet.
It's good, but it's a little too sweet. Yeah, you almost gotta just eat it in layers, like little piece by piece. All right, y'all, so that is it. Thank y'all for watching and hanging with us today, making these cookies. Be sure to let us know in the comment section if we nailed it or failed it.
We nailed it.
Yeah, I think we nailed it.
Nailed it.
Nailed it.
See ya.